Hello everybody, welcome to Caliph Academy. Today we are going to see the comprehensive active input, which means translating everything you see in your brain in English. So in this video you are going to see me trying to say things in English around me in real life. So I wish you enjoy this video because this is the only way you can really practice and learn English on your own. I am opening the door. I opened the door. This is my neighborhood. This is a car. This is a black car. This is a waste bin. The weather is sunny. I am walking. There are so many trees. There are so many buildings and there are so many vehicles. The neighborhood is calm. There is nobody in the street. There is a cat. The cat is so cute. Come here, little catty. Come here. I am rubbing her head. The cat is kind of cute. Say hello. Say hello to my followers. Say hi. So the point of this practice is actually to change the settings of your brain and turn it into English. All English. There shouldn't be anything in your brain apart from English. You should always think in English, see things in English, and I will show you more examples. So this is the main road. As you can see, there are so many cars. There is a bridge over there. This is a green, beautiful garden next to my house. So this is my neighborhood. There is a guy cycling. He's coming towards me. There is a big mall over there. The mall has so many shops, restaurants inside it. As you can see, the mall is next to the beach. I will show you. There is a bus stop over there. The bus stop is on the main road in front of the mall. So this is a gas station, as you can see. There is a gas station. There are so many cars. And we are heading to the mall. So we just came to the grocery shop. As you can see, tomatoes, cucumber, aubergine or eggplant. And you can name all the fruits or the vegetables in English. So you can basically walk around when you are doing your shopping and name everything you want in English. Anything you know, the vocabulary, milks, soda, water, meat, chicken, fish, whatever. This is just a way that helps you to practice English in any chance you get. Yes, so we just came to see if there are anything that fits us. So we are in the men's section. There are so many shirts, t-shirts, jeans, accessories. So we got to the second floor. And we are going to check and continue our tour. We are heading to the bookstore and we will see if there is anything we can say as English. So we just got to the bookstore. There are so many books, so many gifts. So this place smells like books. There are so many colored books in here. And we will continue the tour. I will see if there are any books in English. So this is the language part of the bookstore. As you can see, there are so many books that you can use. Like, oh, this is German. This is not English. Hold on, let me pick one. Oh my God. So yeah, this is I think it's in English. Yeah. So engine goals. I'm mixing Turkish and English. Hold on. As you can see in this video, we have tried to use English in any chance we get. So you trying to turn your brain settings into English language. Anything you see, anything you comes to your mind, try to say it in English. Try to Translate everything you see in your mind and try to say it in English. That was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. We will make more of this video. Comment down if you want more. Subscribe to my channel. Like the video. Comment down. Let me know your thoughts. Do you want similar videos? Share the video with your friends. I'll see you in the next video.